Your first week on KashKick is usually about qualifying for offers, completing requirements, and waiting for tracking, not collecting instant payouts from every task you start. By the end of this, you'll know what realistically happens during your first week, why some offers appear to pay immediately while others don't, and how to avoid the mistakes that slow down your progress. Here's what your first few days normally look like. After creating your account, you'll see a mix of surveys and partner offers. Not every offer will be available to every user. Availability depends on factors like your location, device, and advertiser requirements. The next step is choosing offers you can actually complete. Read every requirement before you start. Many offers require specific actions inside an app or service before they count as completed. Closing the app too early or skipping steps can prevent the reward from tracking. You'll also notice that completed offers don't always appear instantly. Some begin tracking within a short time, while others remain pending until the advertiser confirms that you've met every condition. That delay is part of the normal process. Now let's talk about what to expect from your earnings. Your first week is usually not the best measure of how much KashKick can earn over time. You'll spend part of that week learning which offer types fit you best and which ones are worth skipping. Users who carefully read offer requirements generally avoid more tracking problems than users who rush through every available task. Another thing to expect is that some surveys will end early. That doesn't always mean something is broken. Survey providers often screen participants before deciding whether they qualify for a particular survey. The biggest mistake new users make is starting several offers at once. That makes it harder to remember the requirements for each one and increases the chance of missing a completion step. Finishing one offer completely before moving to the next usually makes tracking much easier. So focus less on how much you've earned after a few days and more on whether your completed offers are tracking correctly. Once you understand which offer types work well for you, using the platform becomes much more predictable. To sum it up, expect your first week to include account setup, offer testing, pending rewards, and learning how the tracking system works. Read every requirement, complete one offer at a time, and verify that rewards are tracking before starting another task. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more practical earning app guides, and check our other KashKick tutorials for tips on avoiding the most common payout and tracking problems. Video and Nisabust Gilda Adadimandan Toneshi Asendikeos. Title Start. KashKick New User Bonus 2026. How to claim. Title. N.O. Script Start. A KashKick New User Bonus only applies when the promotion is active and every eligibility requirement is completed during account registration and offer completion. By the end of this, you'll know how new user bonuses work on KashKick, what usually qualifies you for one, and the common mistakes that prevent it from being credited. Start by checking whether a new user promotion is actually available. KashKick doesn't guarantee a sign-up bonus at all times. Promotions can change or disappear depending on when you register, where you're located, or how you reached the sign-up page. If no promotion is active, creating a new account won't automatically generate a bonus. If a promotion is available, create your account using the required sign-up method. Some promotions only apply when you register through a specific partner link, referral link, or a promotional campaign. Signing up another way may make the account ineligible for that offer. Next, verify your email and complete your account setup. An incomplete account can prevent promotional rewards from being processed, even if you registered during the correct campaign. After that, carefully read the bonus requirements. Some promotions require completing your first qualifying offer, instead of simply opening the account. Others require reaching a specific milestone before the reward is added. Skipping those conditions usually means the bonus never appears. Now, let's talk about the mistakes that cause the most problems. Creating multiple accounts to claim another welcome bonus can trigger account reviews or disqualification. Using incorrect personal information can also delay promotional credits if the platform cannot verify your account. If you've completed every requirement and the bonus still hasn't appeared, check your activity history first. Sometimes the reward is pending rather than missing. If it isn't listed there, gather screenshots showing your registration date and completed qualifying activity before contacting support. That makes it much easier for the support team to review your account. The most important thing to remember is that a welcome bonus is always tied to the terms of the specific promotion. Following those terms matters more than simply creating a new account. To sum it up, first confirm that a new user promotion is active, register through the correct sign-up method, complete every required step, and review your activity history before assuming the bonus is missing. Next, read the full promotion requirements before starting your first offer so you don't accidentally miss a condition that determines whether the bonus is credited. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more straightforward KashKick tutorials, and check out our other videos covering tracking issues, payouts, and account fixes.